Hi everyone, my name is Derek, and I am one of those guys that likes to get online and do some stock market trading and things of that nature. And I had actually come across a site not too long ago called 24Option.com. It's the number 2, the number 4, the word option.com. So you're not spelling it out, just in case you want to look this up after you take some time to check out my testimony about it. Anyways, it deals with the idea of binary options, which is basically the latest and most profitable financial instrument to conquer all global markets in the past few years. I know that I'm not alone in my love of the binary option trading market, because you can instantly add liquidity sorry, can never say that word, to your portfolio, and you have a lot of minimal risk and you have a much bigger return on your investment. So what I mean by that is, for example, I had bought a few shares of Apple stock a couple years ago, and at the time it was going for a very high price, and it actually still is, but just in a few days of doing work on 24option.com site and taking advantage of the binary options of that same stock, I was able to increase my profit enormously, just by doing some trading with Apple on there. So it's one of those things that you will see your profits grow dramatically, and you don't have to be a crazy stock guru to understand it. Even if you don't have any knowledge of the stock market, if you spend a few minutes on 24option.com, there is so many resources on that site that you could come out of it after you spend some time on there, literally knowing more than probably even some people that are on there for years. I guess it just depends on how thorough and meticulous you are with your studies. Nevertheless, with everything that they offer you on the site, they make you be put in a position where you're gonna have the less chance possible to fail. But don't get me wrong, it's not for lazy people. If you're a lazy trader, or you don't want to put the work into understanding how binary options work, it's gonna be the same deal as if you just throw some money into the stock market blindly and not know what you're doing. You're gonna fail. But if you do some work, you do some research, you keep an eye on the world around you and things like that, binary options are a great way to get a super fast return on your investments. It can also take some time. Please don't mistake what I'm saying there. But as you play on there, and you see things, and you start to understand, how it is, you'll see that there is a lot of ease to it, because essentially binary, yes or no. And that's it. You basically are being put in a system where the trading is designed to make the process of trading as simple as possible. There's basically 3 steps to it. Basically, you decide on the asset, you decide on the direction of the market price, you enter the amount you wish to trade. That's it. Then as you roll the proverbial dice, maybe you will see a profit, maybe you won't. You of course could lose, just like you would in the real stock market world. But at the same time, if you, like I said, are plugged into the world you live in, you know what to do. Binary options are very reactive to things like news reports, market fluctuations. So it is that tendency that makes them very profitable. Could be a little risky too. But again, get on there and check it out. I use 24options.com every single day. I have for a while, since I found it. I love the site. I think it's a great way to manage yourself online, and you could be trading, in the comfort of your home. You don't have to go anywhere or do anything. You simply get on there, you check out everything from the Forex to, the assets, to anything you're interested in, and you start your trading. What's really, really, really great too is that once you, are ready to actually trade, all you have to do is just open up an account on 24option.com. It's free. It takes less than 1 minute to sign up, and then like I said, it's good to familiarize yourself with at least one asset, so that you do feel comfortable making a prediction on its future market price. And then once you're familiar, you choose the asset on 24option.com's platform. You decide direction it will go. As I said, it goes either up or down. After you make your prediction, the amount you want to trade, the exact return on the binary option will be provided. That's the other great thing about using 24option.com. You know exactly what you're going to get, exactly what you could lose. So you can control exactly how much you invest, how much you can earn. And you just simply click the buy button on when you're ready, and boom, it's done. I mean, it couldn't be any simpler, guys. So if you're interested, take a look. I mean, just, you know, you have nothing to lose in that sense just for looking. You'll come away from 24option.com being very knowledgeable if you just spend some time reading all the enormous amount of material they're just giving you for being on their site. And you know, hopefully you'll be making some money. I know I sure have. I have used it. I have made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars using 24option.com every day, and I will continue to do so because I love the site. So anyways, go to 24option.com and check it out, and hopefully we'll be seeing you on there. Hopefully you'll be making some great trades. Hopefully you'll be making thousands too. And my name's Derek, and hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks.